Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix The Last of Us Part 1 crashing on PC. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is to check the system's requirements. So to ensure a smooth gameplay experience when playing The Last of Us Part 1, it is important to confirm that your computer meets the minimum system requirements before starting the game. So, this right here are the minimum system requirements for the game. So, if your computer does not meet the recommended system requirements, you may experience crashing issues during display. So, you can just go ahead and pause this video and check right here if you have met the system requirements for you to play The Last of Us on your device. And the next, what you can do is to fix or to update graphics card drivers. So it is important to ensure that your graphics card or display adapters have the latest version of drivers installed before playing The Last of Us Part 1. Because as a newly released game, updating your graphics driver can help resolve potential crashing issues and optimize game performance. So installing the latest graphics card drivers will ensure that your system is up to date and capable of running the game smoothly. So to do this, first just simply type Device Manager in the search bar on your desktop and then click the Device Manager icon that appears in the results. So click the Display Adapters icon. So the list of display adapters will be expanded and right click the dedicated graphics card you are using to play the game and then select update driver. So this will allow you to update your driver, and after that you'll be able to see this. So just simply choose search automatically for drivers and this will search online for any new drivers and automatically download and then automatically install it on your computer. And that's it for the fix 2. What you can do next is to close background programs. So running multiple background programs that consume a lot of system resources while playing The Last of Us Part 1 can cause issues as your computer may not have enough resources to run the game smoothly. So to avoid potential software conflicts, it is recommended to close all unnecessary programs that are running on your PC and give the game more CPU, GPU, and RAM to work with. So this can help improve memory and disk consumption as well as the load on your GPU, leading to better overall performance. So you can use the task manager to identify and close these background programs. So to close the background programs, just follow the steps right here. So right click onto the start button and this can be found on the left pane of the screen and select task manager. So this will open the task manager and on the pop-up windows click processes tab. So this will allow you to show the running program and right click onto the running program, then select and end task. So this will allow you to close your unused programs. And so that's it for this video and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.